If you want to set a custom notification sound or your own message tone on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings, scroll down a little bit, and then we're gonna choose Sound and Vibration. Now after that, we can tap on Notifications, and in here you can of course try to find a custom notification sound in the theme store. We have a bunch of different categories that we can go through, so you can maybe find something for yourself. But if you have your custom sound saved on the storage of the phone, then of course we can choose the local ringtone over here. Then we're going to go to audio files, and you should be able to find the list of all audio files that you have on your phone. So I'm going to use my ringtone over here, sorry, the notification sound, not ringtone, and then it's going to be added to the list. Now I can just tap on apply on the right side, and then I can choose notification, and there we go. And this is how we can set a custom notification sound, which also includes the message tone, of course. But in case you want to set like an individual message tone for a specific contact, then in this case we're gonna go to Google Messages app, and let me quickly start a conversation with someone so that I can actually have this view. So we need to go to the conversation that we have with someone, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go to Details. Now over here in Details, open Notifications, then choose Sound, and over here the rest is pretty much the same. So of course you can go ahead and let's say go to pre-installed ringtones, and you can of course choose a different sound over here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.